What is up, guys? Ton of the sites. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Google Sheets to your n8n. So first, you need to head over to your n8n's website, and then you need to create a new workflow. And after that, you need to choose this trigger manually, and then click on this plus icon and search for Google Sheets. After searching for Google Sheets, click on this Google Sheets icon, and then click on Create Spreadsheet. Now, I want to create a spreadsheet. That's why I've clicked on Create Spreadsheet. After that, click on Credential to connect with, and then click on Create New Credential. After clicking here, you will see that you need the client ID and the client secret. Now to get both of these, you need to head over to the Google Cloud Console, and from here you need to click on this left side at this panel, and then you need to click on this new project. After clicking on new project, you need to name the project. I'll give it as a sheet project, and I'll give it a number 234, and after that I'll click on create. After clicking on create, when the project has been created, a notification will pop up that your project has been created. So from here you need to select this project. Let's say I have this sheet project. I'll click on select project. After clicking on select project, here you will see the project is selected, and now when the project is selected, on the left side you need to click on these three lines, which is the navigation menu. After clicking on this navigation menu, you need to head over to the APIs and services, and then click on OAuth consent screen. After clicking on OAuth consent screen, here you will see a window to get started. Click on this get started button, and after clicking on this get started button, you need to enter your app name. After entering the app name, you need to you enter the user support mail, and then click on next. After that, in the audience you need to choose external, and then click on next again, and then in the contact information you again need to enter your email. And after entering your email, you need to click on next, and then you need to check this checkbox in the finish tab, and then click on continue, and then click on create. After clicking on create, here it will process and take a bit time, and after that, when it has been processed, in the new page you will be redirected, and a message will pop up that the OAuth configuration has been created. From here you need to click on create OAuth client. After clicking on create OAuth client, here in the new window you will see the application type. Click on this and then choose web application. After that, you need to enter your web application name, and then in the redirect URLs you need to click on add URL, head back to n8n, and then here you can see the URL. Copy this URL, and after copying this URL you need to head back to the Google console and paste it. After pasting, you need to click on create, and when you click on create, here you can see the client ID. Copy the client ID and head back to n8n, paste the client ID, and to get the client secret, you will be automatically headed back to the client section wherein you can see your OAuth client IDs. Click on this, and then when the client ID opens in detail, here you can see the client secret. Copy this client secret and head back to n8n. After that, you need to paste the client secret that you just copied, and then click on save. After clicking on save, when the connection has been successfully created, you just need to sign in with your Google account to just accept and start the connection, and after that your Google Sheets account will be connected to your n8n. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.